Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What I'm sharing here is based on my own experience using the service. In this video, we're taking a look at RateSetter, found at ratesetter.com. Now, it's important to note that RateSetter was acquired by Metro Bank in 2020 and is no longer operating as an independent peer-to-peer lending platform. This review reflects the platform as it existed prior to the acquisition. So, if you're stumbling across old information about RateSetter, this will help provide context. Remember, things have changed, and this is a look back, not a recommendation for current investment strategies. Before its integration into Metro Bank, RateSetter offered a unique approach to lending and borrowing. It facilitated connections between individuals looking to lend money and those seeking loans, effectively cutting out traditional financial institutions. A key feature of RateSetter was its provision fund, designed to protect lenders from borrower defaults. This fund aimed to cushion the impact of missed payments, providing a level of security not always found in peer-to-peer lending. The platform operated with a focus on transparency, providing details about borrowers and their loan requests, allowing lenders to make informed decisions. Interest rates were set by market forces, with borrowers and lenders bidding on rates. This dynamic created a competitive environment that often resulted in attractive returns for lenders and competitive borrowing costs for borrowers. RateSetter catered to a variety of loan purposes, including personal loans, car loans, and debt consolidation. The platform offered different loan terms and interest rate options, giving borrowers flexibility in choosing a loan that fit their needs. For lenders, RateSetter provided a potentially attractive alternative to traditional savings accounts, with the potential for higher returns. However, it's crucial to reiterate that this is a historical overview. The RateSetter platform as described here is no longer operational. If you are interested in peer-to-peer lending or other investment opportunities, I recommend researching current platforms and consulting with a financial advisor. Don't hesitate to check the description for helpful resources related to personal finance. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about RateSetter's past operations or if you'd like me to explore other defunct financial platforms.